How to use the Roman function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explain video series, I'm going to explain how you can use the Roman function in Excel. Let's get started. Roman function converts Arabic numerals to Roman numerals, and for that we are going to write the Roman function, and while I am using the function you will understand how to use the Roman function and what are the parameters and what are the things you should consider while using the Roman function. So I'm going to write here equal to and then write Roman. And here in the tooltips it says converts an Arabic numeral to Roman as text. Okay, so I'm going to double click here. The parameter is simple. The first one is number, which number you want to convert, and this number should be in Arabic numerals, okay, which is 1 2 3 4 and so on. So I'm going to select the first one here, and this is our number. And the second parameter is optional. If I do not use it, it will also work, but if I add a comma, the parameter is 1 2 3 4, and we have also 0. If I don't use it, it will always select the classic option. Okay, now there are different rules for Roman function, and these rules are specified in this section 1 2 3 4 and 0. Usually we use classic and they are different. Now here if I click on classic, you can see the changes are highlighted here. 499 will be CDX CIX, and in more concise, if I click here, 499 will be LDVLIV, and if I write 2, which is more concise, again 499 will be XDIX, and the last one more concise 3, 499 will be VDIV, and the last one is the simplified one, 499 will be ID. So classic is more stricter rules, and gradually it's become more simplified. Okay, but we always use classic, so either we select here classic or we use 0 or we don't do anything. So I'm going to double click here. We have the second parameter which is 0, and if I close parentheses and press enter, we have our Roman numeral here. Okay, and if I double click here, you can see all the cell that was empty is now converted the number from the left column, and it has converted that number to Roman numerals. Okay, now there are two things you should consider. The first one, in Excel, Roman numeral cannot exceed the number 3999 because after that we'll have to change the system. Okay, now there are different rules in writing Roman number. One of them is you cannot write 4 consecutive letters. Okay, after 3999, if I drag it, you can see we will get a value error. The second thing you should consider is that you cannot convert negative numbers in Roman numerals, so that will also give you an error. Okay, so we can convert Arabic numerals from 1 to 3999 to Roman numerals using the Roman function in Microsoft Excel, and the parameter is very simple. We can select the number and close parentheses, press enter. If you need the classic option, you don't even need to write 0 here. So if I remove that and press enter, it will also work. So this is how you can use the Roman function in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.